Hello, my name is Janvier. I'm clinical psychologist at mHub. So today I would like to do mindful self-practice with you. If you like, it will take at least 5 minutes. Let's do this practice. It helps us to bring love, kindness, and compassion in our life. Find a comfortable seat position. Close your eyes or gaze down and come back to your body and notice the feeling of your feet on the floor. Notice any internal sensation that you may be raised right now. You may notice the beating of your heart and remind yourself that you are not just bringing awareness to your experience, but loving and kindness awareness. Adopt any physical gesture that represent these caring attitudes, perhaps by putting both hands on your chest or your heart region. And then notice how your body responded to the physical touch, the warmth of your hands. Feel free to leave your hands here for the entire meditation if you like. Or put them back down at your side. Now let's take a few deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Take a deep breath, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Allow yourself to release as you exhale. Then let your breathing return to a normal and natural rhythm. Pay particular attention to your inhalation and notice that as you breathe in, you are giving yourself that and what you need in this moment. If you are struggling in any way in your life with unsafe relationships and trust love and broken connection or broken hearts, difficult management of emotion, distrust in others, feeling generally unsafe, or feeling as through no one understands you. Just breathe in some other quality that you need. You need peace, you need kindness, self-affirmation, self-acceptance, love and compassion. Allow yourself to release and to live, receive something good for yourself with each inhalation. Inhale and bring something good. Inhale and bring peace in your heart. And as you breathe out, bring to your mind someone you know or are aware of who is struggling or suffering and need compassion. Allow the image to release in your mind's eyes. Direct your out breath to them, sending them what you need in the moment. Sending them what they need in the moment. They need love. They need peace. They need kindness, self affirmation, self acceptance. They need to be healthy. They need compassion. All are something good. And now, release your focus on the breath and on the practice. Simply come back to your body. Allow yourself to feel whatever it is you're feeling in these moments. And open your eyes and take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. And then start to shake your hands and relax your shoulder and your head. And come back to your stillness. Open your eyes, look around you, and love yourself. And be your own teacher of your life. Thank you.